If you're into luxury smartwatches and serious about golf, the Tag Heuer connected Calibre E5 Golf Edition might have caught your eye. It promises high-end design plus advanced golf features, but is it worth the price? Let's tee off and find out. So the Tag Heuer connected Calibre E5 Golf is a luxury smartwatch that blends Swiss watchmaking style with smart tech tailored for golfers. It has premium materials, stainless steel or lightweight titanium, a vibrant touchscreen display, official Tag Heuer golf app integration, GPS and sport tracking, and smartwatch functions like notifications, fitness tracking, and more. It's basically designed to be your golf partner on your wrist and your daily smartwatch off the course too. Where the watch really stands out is its golf features. Official Tag Heuer golf app, accurate GPS distance tracking on over 40,000 courses worldwide, distances to hazards, layups and greens, detailed shot tracking and scoring, and smartwatch compatible stat tracking, helping you analyze your game round after round. For golfers who like numbers, it's a premium turn-by-turn golf data hub right on your wrist. But the E5 isn't just about golf, it's also a capable everyday smartwatch with notifications, calls, messages, apps, fitness tracking, steps, heart rate, workouts, GPS built in, and decent battery life for a Wear OS-based device. The real difference, unlike some rugged golf watches, Tag Heuer's design feels more like a luxury accessory than a plastic fitness tracker, so it can pass as everyday wear far more easily. Here are some of its pros. It has exceptional premium build. It feels like a luxury watch. Tag Heuer Golf app is well designed and genuinely useful. Good balance of smartwatch and sports features, stylish and versatile for daily wear. However, it's expensive compared to mainstream smartwatches. The Wear OS battery life isn't industry leading, and some golf-centric users may prefer dedicated golf GPS watches with longer battery life and sturdier outdoor performance. For some buyers, the luxury branding is part of the appeal, and that does carry value. So is the Tag Heuer connected Calibre E5 Golf worth it? Yes, if you value premium built, elegant design and want serious golf tool wrapped in a luxury package and you don't mind paying for that prestige. However, if you care more about pure performance, longer life, or budget, in that case, dedicated golf watches or mainstream watches might give you more for less. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.